Whistle with Maxwell and Crystal.
On Z100, New York's #1 hit music station.
The weekend is finally here with DJ Dramos on the ones and twos. My name is Josh Martinez with Shelly Rome.
Ow!
So you just walked in, and I'm like, you know what? Let's just do this with DJ Dramos.
Let's do it. Wait, everybody missed your cha-cha-cha. You were just doing a little cute 1-2 step.
I was dancing because, DJ Dramos kills it every single Friday.
He
The
does.
weekend's officially here. Our iHeartRadio Music Festival is here. Who are you most excited to see?
Obviously, Dua Lipa. Hello, she kills it every time she takes the stage.
And she's going to be hitting that stage tonight. You can stream it, by the way. Find out how. Z100.com. It's the 5 o'clock whistle. Z100. Let's go! To bright light on my side.